Day 5. Rewiring your neural pathways. Successful people are simply those with successful habits. Tracy. Today is a milestone, but remember, no peeking ahead. You must first complete Day 4, staying motivated, and your 10-minute guided meditation before viewing this lesson. Rewiring your neural pathways. How are you getting on so far with your meditation habit? It would be great to hear from you. And did you know that by Day 5, you've already started to make changes in your brain? That you're rewiring your neural pathways. When we do something regularly, it's like walking a path in a field. At first, the grass springs straight back after we have walked over it. But after a few days, the grass stays trodden down for longer. And if we keep walking that path, the grass will wear away until the path is clear for us to walk anytime. That's what happens with creating a new habit. You create new links between the synapses in your brain, changing your neurology. The first few times you do it, those links are weak. But once you reinforce those connections through regular practice, they become stronger until they become your new autopilot. So in the case of regular meditation, that means changes in your endocrine system, rebalancing your stress response with your parasympathetic response so you can be relaxed but alert. Parasympathetic relates to the part of the autonomic nervous system which balances the action of the sympathetic nerves. It consists of nerves arising from the brain and the lower end of the spinal cord and supplying the internal organs, blood vessels, and glands. It means that you unwire the autopilot triggers between someone annoying you and you snapping back, losing your temper. It means you change your stress response so it no longer needs to build up during the day, but can return to normal, healthy levels quickly and easily. It means you change the kind of thoughts you're thinking, reducing worry and anxiety and feeling calmer and happier. All of this from just 10 minutes a day of meditating. But you have to keep going to keep these changes. Like that path in the field, if you stop walking it, eventually the weeds will grow back and it will disappear. Now sit comfortably for your 10-minute guided meditation. Take a nice, deep, letting go breath. Notice that you are already beginning to relax both mind and body. Go ahead and do this a few times, and when you exhale, actually think the word relax in your mind, so that you are giving yourself permission to relax right now. Now, if you haven't already, close your eyes. Very good. Now begin to feel a soothing, relaxing sensation on the top of your head. Feel that sensation moving down to relax your forehead, soothing away any tension. Then feel the relaxation moving down into your jaw, all the way down, and letting it hang loose and slack. Mentally saying to yourself, I am relaxing more and more. Feel your tongue relaxing. Feel the soothing relaxation moving down into your shoulders. Mentally saying to yourself, I am relaxing more and more, going deeper and deeper into relaxation. And then moving down into the arms, relaxing the arms and moving all the way through to the fingertips. Feel the relaxing sensation and saying to yourself mentally, deeper and deeper, more and more relaxing. Now feel the relaxing sensation moving into the torso, repeating to yourself mentally, deeper and deeper, more and more relaxed. And then down into your legs, relaxing and flowing down all the way out through the bottoms of the feet. Very good now. Feel the relaxing sensation flowing through your body and saying to yourself mentally, I am going deeper and deeper, becoming more and more relaxed. Go ahead now and begin to imagine that you are standing on the top of a set of stairs, a staircase that is perfect for you and has 10 steps. And at the bottom of the staircase is waiting a peaceful and calming place. A perfect place for you where deep relaxation and healing is possible. Imagine stepping down now from the 10th step down to the 9th. Already you are getting closer to your place of peace. And with each and every decreasing number, you easily and effortlessly double your relaxation. 9 stepping down to 8. 7. The deeper you go, the better you feel. Stepping down to 6. The better you feel, the deeper you go. 5. Relaxing all the way down now. Repeat to yourself mentally, deeper and deeper, more and more relaxed. 4. Keep going, you are almost there. 3. Getting ready to enter into your place of peace and relaxation. A place where deep relaxation and healing is possible. 2 and 1. Be there now and notice the details in your place of peace and relaxation. Notice the colors. Notice the sounds. Notice the pleasant smells. Notice how things feel when you touch them in your place of peace. Excellent work. Now imagine that a bright healing light shines down upon you. This light can be any color you find healing, shining on you like a heavenly spotlight. This bright healing light shines down upon you and melts away any stress in your body. It melts it away and completely evaporates tension. This bright healing light shining down upon you flows in and through you, melting, dissolving, and evaporating any fears you might have, completely melting them away. This bright healing light shines down upon you, melting away and evaporating any anger you might be holding on to. It cleanses everything and anything which is no longer serving you, cleaning up the energy around your body, cleaning your aura, and cleaning the inside of your body. This bright healing light flows down into the top of your head, going all the way through your body and out through the bottoms of your feet. and the bright healing light cleans away and dissolves any pain or illness in your stomach, evaporating any fears or tensions or stress or anxiety in your stomach, melting it away now and evaporating it completely. And as the healing light moves in and around your heart, it cleanses and heals everything in and around your heart. Feel this light now moving into your throat, cleansing and healing everything and anything in your throat, so that when you speak, your words now reflect your highest self, removing any harsh or painful words that you don't mean to say. Feel it swirling around and moving into your brain as it cleanses and heals every single part of your brain, every single neuron in your brain, and every fiber of your mind are cleansed by this bright healing light, dissolving and evaporating any stress, worries, fears, angers, anything and everything you are ready to let go of now. And now that you are so clean and clear, repeat in your mind along with me, I am clean. I am clear. I am lighter. I am free. I am clean. I am clear. I am lighter. I am free. With a smile on your face, I am clean. I am clear. I am lighter. I am free. I am clean. I am clear. I am lighter. I am free. I am clean. I am clear. I am lighter. I am free. And notice this bright healing light within you and all around you has become you. And imagine as you journey into the world today, as you walk through life today, that you are bringing your bright healing light with you. And everyone you meet today, everyone you speak to, absorbs some of your bright healing light, and you have an infinite amount to give. So that everyone you interact with today also feels some of the peace you feel now. And imagine, as you go out into the world with your bright healing light, you are beginning a revolution. Taking another nice deep letting go breath with a smile on your face. Open your eyes and know that you are looking forward to bringing your light out into the world. Thank you for listening, and remember, the more you listen to this recording, the deeper it will take you, and the longer the effects will last. How are you getting on so far with your meditation habit? It would be great to hear from you, and your thoughts are important not only to me, but also for future lesson improvements. So leave a comment in the Q&A section below and share your journey.